Pirates is making a huge mistake, in fact. I think they were creating life after Unda all along, Ngabo Sesane, because it's better than all those players. I know those players, but the potential, Bona, Abo Sesane, even Mbogazi. I know one of the best to get Mbogazi, but now I'm fit with his experience. I remember good squad say AFCON sa last year before last, if not mistaken, if not last year in February. I think good as a squad back on, if not mistaken.
Oh, 2023 AFCON in Nigeria.
I'm talking like that way, yabo. Begele cream le surrounding kuyo, not just kuleso squad nje. In fact, one of the best experience. I don't understand. Nyazi, he was injured for a long time, Orlando Pirates, but he came back. Azange babe nama intentions okumdlalisa. I think they made peace with, okay, we get rid of this guy. Noma ngabe uyaphola and stuff. Funny enough, baluze Mbogazi. That's where they're gonna lose the league. I mean, I'll be honest to you. I think losing that boy, Lamfana was something else for Orlando Pirates. A leader, one of the best talent. If you watch Chastang speed, a very important player. We am loser. I thought Unda uyozophakamisa isandla ke. Akusukuthi ngiyaba compare, which I believe mina lo mfana uMbokazi bekumele adlale naye nje Unda. I know uTsema is a good player, but not close to Unda. Unda is something else. Njoba ngisho kune experience. So mabaluza uMbokazi, Unda, I thought mina was going to be the captain of the team. Bebazomnika impela. Not just a player, a captain of the team. Just to show a respect with him, fact you've been with us, patient with us. You didn't deserve to sit on the bench, but because of we were understanding our protocols and players that they were better at that time and were professional enough. Now I'm play regular. Now you release him. Wambi Sumbogazi. Elite boy loser. So a very important player. I don't understand. Came as a shock him. Like I'm sure even some of the Pirates supporters angeke bakujabulele lo.